Hi, I'm here from Aunt M's Quilts and M's Scrap Bag, and today I'm going to talk to you about doing circles. Don't be scared, this is really easy and you can so do this. What you're going to need is a compass, like when you were in school, just to draw a circle. You're going to need paper scissors and fabric scissors and some lightweight cardboard. Use a cereal box, cracker box. This is just the back of a layer cake. So that's what you'll need. Also, I would really appreciate it if you like my videos, if you like and subscribe so we can help others to find us. Thanks so much. Let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is draw our circle. What you're going to need to do is figure out what size your circle is and then half that. And that's how big you want your compass, okay? And I'm just going to draw my circle. Okay. Once my circle's drawn, I'm just going to cut it out. Okay, once my circle's cut out, I'm going to place it on my fabric and I'm just going to draw a line around it so I know where on my fabric the circle is. Then I'm just going to cut around. I'm going to leave myself about 3/4 of an inch all the way around my circle. It doesn't need to be real precise, so don't worry about real precision here. You just want the general shape of your circle. All right. Now we're going to take this to our machine. We're going to set our stitch for a long length for a basting stitch, so set it up to 4 or 5. We're going to stitch a 1/4 inch on the outside, not the inside, but the outside of the line that we've drawn. All right. And we're stitched all the way around. You're going to take it out of your machine and you're just going to start pulling these ends so we can gather up the circle that we've done. So grab the end and just kind of pull and it'll start to gather up. And you're just going to bunch it up so it kind of so your circle's just going to kind of bunch up like this, like it's just barely coming up. And then we're going to insert the cardboard circle that we made. And just adjust the gathering until you can get it to fit inside. If you have any puckers, you just kind of adjust the gathers so that it lays flat around your cardboard circle. And then you're going to take that to the ironing board. With it pulled tight and made sure that you don't have any gathers on the front side, I like to go around once with steam on the back side. Then I flip it over. I take some best press and I set that really good. I just want that edge to be really stiff. And I'm just going to pop my circle out. And once again, I'm just going to press that. Take my background and I'm going to center that on the background. And once I get it centered on the background, I can pin it or glue stick it in place, and then I'm just going to top stitch around that circle. So when you go to top stitch, don't forget to put your stitch length back up. I've done that. And then you're just going to top stitch the circle in place. Once your circle is top stitched down, if you don't like to have the extra bulk in your quilt, you can pull this apart, do a little snip in your fabric, on the back, on your background fabric, and then you just trim around. And just trim it so you can just trim it a 1/4 inch all the way around, and then there you have it. There's your circle. So you can do a fun scrappy on plain background of circles. You can use your circles to do like a Dresden. You can do a fun maid's fabric circle if you want to watch my modern crumb quilts how-to and do circles this way. I did a fun baby quilt this way. You can do this. Thanks for watching, and also if you like my video, please like and subscribe, and if you share it, that will help others find how to use these tools also. Then I will put in the description below the patterns that I have that use this method, and then next week I will show you how I use this method to do things like drunkard's path and clamshells and things. Thanks for watching again. Remember to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.